Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard to solve tricky math problems. So let's jump right into it. Start by opening your browser and typing bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so to maximize your experience. Now, to tap into Google Bard's impressive math solving capabilities, it's essential to articulate your problems clearly and concisely. Imagine you are explaining the challenge to a fellow student or a math-savvy friend. The more organized and direct your input, the higher the chances of nailing that perfect solution. Now, let me demonstrate by pasting my own math problems here. As you can see, Google Bard is now assisting us in cracking this math puzzle. So, whether you are grappling with intricate algebraic enigmas or seemingly straightforward problems that leave you stumped, Google Bard is your mathematical companion. Just remember to frame your question crisply and let Google Bard unravel complexities, unveiling the elegance of math in action. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.